G'day. Well, I can't believe it. This is the big event that I recently put up a snippet about. It's, as I said, it's not 1 million subscribers, but to me it's a reasonably big deal. I've now reached 3,000 subscribers. And I'd like to thank you all for being one of those people that have subscribed to my channel. Let me just say, it took a long time to get here. I've been 15 years on YouTube now. And actually, if you look at the analytics behind the scenes of YouTube Studio, it took quite a few years before I really even had a subscriber. And then it slowly increased. I remember probably 5 or 6 years ago now, doing my first special, the 400 subscriber announcement. I just hit 400 subscribers today when I checked before.
Surprise!
It was actually part of a goal I had for last month to have 400 subscribers by the end of the month, because I've been on YouTube for quite a few years, many years actually, but only in the last couple ever really did much serious. So thank you. The next one was my 500th episode special, where I actually tried something a bit different and I cloned myself. Well, this is the 500th video for this channel anyway that I've made. And
We've made.
You're right, I'm recording. There are 2 of us, you know. Alright, we've made. And we'd just like to thank you for supporting our channel, watching our sometimes silly videos, and give you a sincere thank you. Thank you. Did I get that right? And yeah, I may have mentioned this since, but it was the very first time I tried editing and cloning myself, and I could have done it the easier way, where typically they split down the middle, but I deliberately went out of my way to make it hard, and yeah, I won't go into the techniques of it, that's not what the video's about. But yeah, I made it hard to challenge myself, and it worked out pretty well, I have to admit. So I didn't really have any other big major episode announcements, but all I can say is this 3,000 has been coming all year. Slowly I've been watching it, and finally it's here. So, like I say, I'd love it to be 1 million subscribers, or even a lot more, but I'm grateful, very grateful, to those of you that have stuck by my channel for so long, and the new subscribers that have taken the time, and it only takes a few seconds, to click the subscribe and the little bell. And yeah, so finally I'm here at 3,000 subscribers. Now, a month ago, at the time of filming, I actually reached 1 million views. Not subscribers, but views. So that's quite a few. But again, it's taken quite a long time. It's just started raining here too, so if you can hear that, yeah, that's what's happening. So, although I've made a YouTube playlist to help people, follow that if you want. I know that some of you watching and some people that have subscribed to my channel started only in the last few years, and maybe they've taken a bit of my advice on that playlist to heart, but they have like more than triple the amount of subscribers as me now. That's good, I'm glad, and I hope I've been a little bit of help towards that. And subscriber count isn't everything, so don't get all wound up about it, but it's nice because then more people will potentially see your videos, and that's really why we make them, is to share our content with you, which hopefully you don't mind and you kind of like. Anyway, I think that's it. That was the big announcement for the year, and I want to thank you again for just tuning in. I'm looking forward to the next big step, which will probably be 5,000 subscribers. These things don't happen overnight. As I've said in my playlist, you can follow certain techniques It will increase your chances of getting up there, but there's no guarantees. There's no guarantees with life at all, is there? All right, I'll see you soon, and yeah, take care. Cheers. And thank you again.